Alright folks, welcome back. This is going to be, I guess, day 2 of my FJ projects here. Day 2. And I am going to take this intake, whatever you call it, flex hose or whatever off, and we're going to clean this up. See what we can do. It's kind of ashy. Back in there. So got to get 2 Phillips head screwdrivers, or 1 Phillips head screwdriver, and take both of these screws off, and I should be able to pull it off. Let's see. Alright, there's a little sensor. Well, not a sensor, just a wire grommet on there. So there we go. That's what she looks like on the inside. Alright, let's see if we can go over here and see if we can clean it up. Oh, real quick, before we put these hose and stuff back on, we're going to clean this panel a little bit just to get it respectable, I guess. Alright folks, so what I'm starting off with here is a little scrub pad and microfiber along with some super degreaser, McGuire super degreaser. So I'll try to keep this in frame if I can. You see this side of it's really pretty decent. So I don't know what causes this. If someone wants to leave it in the comments, what causes this ash? Look, my helper, Ivy. What are we doing, Ivy? What are we doing to take care of this film on here?
We're brushing it off with a brush.
That's a detail. Well, it's not really a detail brush. It's actually a brush that they use to a gun cleaning brush. Most people use that
really?
for cleaning the barrels and the fine parts of the gun. And we're using some super degreaser down there, and we're using a microfiber to clean it up, wipe it up. Let's see what it looks like.
Well, it looked like before. Now, after a good scrub.
Alright, I decided to go ahead and remove this. It's not that difficult, it's just 2 clips here. And it swings off of a hinge, so we're going to clean up the inside. And clean up the outside of this thing, and I'll probably go ahead while I'm at it, remove this, clean it up. Now I could clean it up while it's on here. I don't know, I might just go ahead and try to clean it up while it's sitting on here. But I think Sissy wants to help. Sissy, you want to help, right? Alright, well I'm going to let you tackle this. Use some super degreaser. And a microfiber, yeah. folks. So we went ahead and took off You already know about that. I got my helper working on these things for me. But I had took off the filter housing. I went ahead and cleaned this here up, and I've covered the intake housing, and I'm spraying some super degreaser with some water hose and trying to clean this area here up with a dish, a glass cleaner. What I use on my other car to get in tight areas. So that's what we're working on right now. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Using a little water, a little pressurized water. And this is not going to get everything, but just trying to get some neglected areas that hasn't been touched in a few years. Alright folks, between myself, Ivy and Alyssa, I think we got it cleaned up pretty good. Ivy and Alyssa did most of the work. I started it and they came and finished it up. So now we got to put it back on here. You see what it's going to look like. While they were doing that, I was cleaning it up under here somewhat. It looks, it's not completely detailed. I still got to get the back firewall. Still got to do the hood. That hasn't been done. Well, I did a little piece of it just to see what it looked like. Did over here, and then I wiped it down with some protectant, some water-based protectant. This is it. Finished product. Now I know probably some professional detailers out there, or four-wheelers or whatever out there, that'll tell me, oh, you should have did the hood first, or whatever. Should have done the interior or the wheels first. But this thing here was irritating me ever since I bought it yesterday, and I decided to come out here and do something about it today. And that's what I would encourage any one of you to do, whether you got a 4x4 or a car or whatever. You know, get out there and mess with it, address some issues that are bothering you. Now, probably sometime next week, I'll get out here and detail this car, and guess what I'll do? I'll wind up rewashing all this again. But, you know, of course, I'll start with the top first, top down, and work on it. But today, at least I addressed some things that were bothering me, so I can enjoy it. And when I pop the hood, I can enjoy how it looks. So, but, all right, let's just go over what we did today. Took this, removed this, and myself, Ivy, and Alyssa cleaned the contamination off the outside of it. Got it looking somewhat new again. Removed this, and Alyssa cleaned this off for me, dressed it up, cleaned the sides of the engine compartment on both sides, cleaned these, cleaned the upper parts of the fenders here, and dressed it up a little bit, a little dress. Enjoy this. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. Got a lot more of this stuff coming with this car, or with this utility vehicle. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.